In this episode, I scoured the internet and realised that Fototripper is the best content out there, and I have a great idea to get super views. I'm just going to find out his secret weapon, and with the help of the lovable Irksome Ian, we're going to recreate a super Fototripper shot of the bonsai tree. Maybe we can be as good as him too. Hang on, you've told him everything what happens. They don't need to watch the video now. VT.
Ooh, what's up with you? You got a face like a bulldog chewing a wasp. It's just that it doesn't matter how much work I put in, I'm never going to get the numbers on my channel that these big channels get. So what are you going to do? Well, I can't make people watch. Well, who's your favourite YouTuber? Oh, now that's easy. Fototripper. Love his videos, they're so good. Is he successful? Does he get a lot of views? Loads of them. Then the answer's simple, Ed. Just do what he's doing. Copy him. Now get the kettle on, let's have a cup of tea. You might be onto something. Of course I am. Is he from the Midlands as well? Nope, he's in New Zealand. Oh, he's one of them Kikis, is he? Kiwis? No, thank you, not for me. I don't like all that exotic food. So what you're saying is make my next video like one of his. Exactly. All you've got to do is go onto internet, doodle it, and then find out what he's doing and do the same. Well, he lives in New Zealand, but actually he's a northerner. By heck, lad, icky thumps, anybody seen my whippet? You know, I do like the idea of this. So why do you like this Fototripper so much? Tripper. It's Tripper. What's he got that you haven't? He's a great landscape photographer, he's funny, he's just a really good guy. Hang on, I'll pull up a chair. Sounds like you're about to propose. Well, you did ask. I couldn't be like him though. Why? Well, he lives in New Zealand, doesn't he? He's got hundreds of thousands of miles of beautiful, beautiful countryside all around him. Mountains, lakes. Yeah. And I live in Birmingham. Fair point. So pick your favourite video he's done and have a go at being like this Tripper. Which one do you like? Oh, that's easy. The bonsai episode. That is my favourite. They set off and his good lady makes a revelation. Really? What was it? I can't tell you that. But after that, they do climb a mountain, find a hilltop lake, find a bonsai growing out of the top of the water like a scalaba, and take the most amazing picture in the most amazing light. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Well, we'll do that then. Except we don't have any mountains and we don't have a lake. You need to be more positive, you do. Where there's a will, there's a way. Now look, you've got a bonsai tree. You bought that one from the garden centre when it was closing down in the summer. And in the garden you've got a fish pond. Everything you need. And we're going to get that to look like a majestic hilltop lake. Oh, it's all smoke and mirror, this photography lot. Grab your camera, we'll go out. We'll go and copy that bonsai picture from the Tripper. Tripper. He's a tripper. He goes on trips. Oh, and I forgot, he's also got a secret weapon. He never tells anybody about this. Oh yes, I know, that'll be his partner in crime, won't it? The brains behind the whole operation. Yeah, you don't see her very often, but she's there. Who? Behind all of the great pictures is his mother-in-law. Well, you've got a mother-in-law. Let's ask her to be involved in our video. Hey, mother-in-law, will you be in my next YouTube video?
Absolutely not.
So let's get shooting. Let's make like the Tripper. He goes on trips. Right, here's the bonsai. You hold it in the pond, I'll take the picture. I'm not convinced this is going to work. Have faith, dear boy.
Hang on, there ain't no leaves on that bonsai.
Of course there's no leaves on it. It's winter. And that's another thing. Look at this pond. There's ice on it. It's going to be freezing. Hold the bonsai in the water. Right. Ugh. Oh, it's freezing.
But it's all for art.
Just take the photo, will you? Oh, this is heavy. I've got all bits in my pond now. I'm going to have to clean it out. I don't know why I listen to you. Oh, there's one thing you've missed out. You need a northern accent. You've got to be convincing. By gum, that was a good picture, that. And if it were any good, I'll put it on the screen now.
And here's the final image. Almost indistinguishable, I'd say, from Gavin's image. Beautiful, beautiful reflections. But you've left the tripod in. Shh! Don't think anybody's going to notice that. No, but I'm going to notice that string out there going across the picture. No, they're leading lines.
Oh yes, you have nailed it. That could have been taken by the Fototripper himself. Not bad at all. I'm going to go and sit by the computer and watch the views roll in. You better practice your autograph. Now, there was one thing. You mentioned she had a revelation that made him spit his tea out. Yep, and it took a lot for a northern bloke to spit his tea out. So what was the revelation? Well, I shouldn't say, but
And a really big thank you to Fototripper, the best videos on YouTube. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. In the meantime, if you'd like to watch more on my channel, check out these links here.